Victoria, I'm with Noro, and this is the portal built with Nanolumens NXT series LEDs. Noro is the infrastructure that connects physical spaces seamlessly. The idea is that when you stand here, you feel like you're in the same room as the person on the other end, because in every way that matters, you are. And Noro isn't just about presence. Noro is also about true collaboration. This right here is our companion touchscreen where collaboration lives. To control it, all you have to do is scan the QR code and you get the controls right on your phone. You can bring up a shared whiteboard where both sides collaborate on the same designs, ideas, and thoughts simultaneously. And it's not just whiteboarding. Any device can share content onto this screen. You can share slides, presentations, or even cast from a phone camera onto this screen. For product teams, design reviews, this has many different use cases. Lastly, Noro is also bringing intelligence into the room. Noro draws on meeting transcripts, content shared, and documents to make the room intelligent so that each individual doesn't have to process the knowledge built together on their own. Noro is built for the ways teams actually work together. Human connection and intelligent collaboration. If you're thinking about what the future of work looks like, this is it. You can find more information about Noro at www.noro.co.